What up, YouTube? We're just doing a quick little video doing spark plugs. There's gonna be a 14 millimeter deep socket to get those in and out. This is a 2011 Nissan Versa. And you gotta take, most engines, 4 cylinders, this coil packs and stuff are on the top of the motor. Not with this one. You gotta take an intake off. I'm gonna tell you right now, you only got 2 bolts in the back. So there's one right there you gotta take out, one right there you gotta take out. It's like a 12 millimeter. Right, and chill. Yeah, that one right there. So that's why you gotta take off the throttle body, just to get that one bolt right there. And then you got down here, you got a bolt right there, you got a bolt right there, there's 2 right there, and there's 1, 2, and 3. And there's your, hold up, yeah, third one is right there. So I went into the, I left those in. I'm probably just gonna leave them there. Now to get to those, you gotta take these little brackets off. These guys right here, that's just for your cover, which is that right there. It just holds in. So that's gonna be your first step, taking those 2 10s off right up there. So that's it. You just got those 3, 5 down there, 6, and 7. So there's a total of 7 bolts holding that in. Just those 5, and then there's one in the back, one in the back. So to get to those, you can just pull this off. You need your little trim tool or something like that. Just pull those out. This all just comes apart. And then you're gonna have this guy, your tube. So you're gonna have to undo that right there. And those are 8 millimeters on both of those clamps. And I just pulled that out. And then you got these 8 millimeters. You got 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, holding in your throttle body. And you can go ahead and take this, just pull that line off and unplug that right there. Okay. And I went in and took this off right there. And now, that's it. And that's all you got to do to get your spark plugs. Bam, right there. And then anytime you take this off, a good idea to replace your intake gaskets right here. So we gonna replace all 4 of those right there and clean that up right there real good. Okay, that's it right there. It's intake manifold replacement. We're just doing a tune-up, spark plugs, whatever, on a 2011 Nissan Versa. Thanks for watching the video. Peace.